Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your notes history in Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Instagram application here. Now once you're inside Instagram, guys, if you click on the message icon, which is the triangle arrow on the uppermost right hand side, then you'll see on the uppermost right hand side again notes, right? So if you have notes here, then you'll be able to see notes within Instagram. Now, what if you're not able to see notes and these are deleted? How can you actually recover or see the notes history? Now, what you want to do, click on your profile on the lower right hand side, and you want to click on the three dots, also known as the burger menu. You want to click on that, and from here you will see your activity. You want to click on your activity, and from here you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom to where it says download your information. You want to click on that. From here, you want to go ahead and tap the button that says download or transfer information. And from here, you want to clear all if you have multiple accounts, and then you want to select that particular Instagram account and then click next. After click next, you want to go ahead and select all available information. So you want to click on that, and then you want to ensure that it says download to my device or download to your device. Click next. And from here, you can play around with the date range, right? So if you click on date range, you can choose from last week all the way up to all time. So you have the options there. You just have to select whichever one you want and then go ahead and click save. And then from here, you want to ensure that you have the notify in the correct email, and also the format you want to leave it to HTML, and also the media quality you want to leave it to medium, and then hit the create button, and within minutes this will create a zip file with all of those notes so that you're able to view your notes history. And that's all there is to it, guys. This is very easy and very simple. Guys, if you find this useful, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below. And also, if you're seeing the channel for the first time, I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.